Thermostatic mixers. They are water saving, they're energy saving, and they're luxurious. It's a preset temperature, so whatever your comfort zone is, it stays in that position, and then it has one button on and off. Water that comes through first is only hot water until it reaches that temperature of 38 degrees, and then it balances out with the cold. So there's less water wastage. Instead of turning on a tap and just having cold for a longer period of time, you get your water temperature within seconds. I know we often worry about water saving, but if you do have body jets or you have a spa or something where you need volume, you need to go with a thermostatic mixer. It's the highest flow rate mixer in the market.